Hey, good afternoon all. Yeah, we got the 650 tore down, put a new tire on. That went decent, although I did find out why they charge $50 to change motorcycle tires, because I probably messed around with it for about an hour. The hardest part was getting the bead busted loose, and ended up using the boys that little KLX 125. Just kind of got the kickstand on that, and I had to put quite a bit of pressure there, but the main thing is I stayed cool, stayed patient, kept blowing soapy water under here, and I just kind of made my own little tire tools. That's a little, I think it's a Makita grinder wrench. I just put a slight bend on that. This thing worked really good. Then I just kind of dulled the end of it so there wasn't no sharp edges. That's how you grab the disc on the Makita grinder that's no longer with us. Yeah, I used that too, kind of dulled it as well. Yeah, that was a stock Bridgestone trail wing, and I wanted to go with something slightly more aggressive, so we went with my brain lapsed, Metzler Sahara Enduro 3, I believe. Metzler, there it is. And we're on the balancing machine now. It's about as high tech as I am. It's a tile probe, or just a probe, like when you're digging, looking for utilities. There's your handle, and we'll dig so long with the backhoe and stick it in the ground looking for the pipe or whatever. But I don't know if you can see it, but that tire's like still trying to turn. And it rotates back slightly, but not much. I'm gonna call that good. I'm not gonna overthink this. I was expecting it to, stop turning and then roll a quarter turn or a half a turn. It does have some weights on it, so maybe that's took care of it. So we're gonna call that good. Yeah, I kind of like it. It's a little, the kind of got that little chevron tractor tread looking thing going there. Just a little wider grooves than the trail wing. The dirt bike side of me wanted to go with the 606 tire, which is basically, looks like something that's on that old PE. It's a DOT rated tire, but they ain't gonna. This thing's mostly gonna be on the road. We're gonna ride rock roads with it, a little bit of highway. This is, I think, the proper choice. I'll find out. Yeah, the soapy water worked good. Aired it up to about, it actually seated the bead at like 10 psi, but I went ahead and aired it up to 30. I'll experiment. I can't remember what the book says. I think depends on how heavy the bike is, or if you got two riders or one rider. Alright, well, I guess we'll put this thing back together. Kinda got chilly on us again. Had them storms blow through, and now it's like, I don't know, 40 degrees, 39, something like that. Alright, we'll see you folks. I'm gonna put this thing back together.